Waiting hours for a tough cut of beef to braise on the stovetop or dealing with the rattling, nerve-wracking uncertainty of an old-fashioned pressure cooker can completely drain the joy out of weeknight cooking. Traditional stovetop pressure cookers often leave you guessing about internal pressure levels, forcing you to constantly fiddle with the burner dial to avoid an overflow. The Fissler Vitavit Premium 8.5 quart pressure cooker completely revolutionizes your culinary routine, combining legendary German engineering with a sleek, polished 1810 stainless steel chassis. This premium powerhouse cuts traditional cooking times by up to 70% while preserving vital vitamins and rich flavors, serving as the ultimate stove-to-table upgrade for passionate home chefs and large families alike. The crown jewel of the Vitavit Premium is its advanced, multi-setting control valve paired with an intuitive traffic light display system. Moving far beyond basic cookers that offer only one generic pressure level, this model features 4 distinct cooking settings: a gentle mode for delicate ingredients like fish and fine vegetables, a fast mode for hearty proteins and potatoes, an innovative non-pressurized steam cooking mode, and a specific pressure relief setting. As the heat rises, the built-in indicator ring changes color. Yellow means the burner can be turned down, green signals the target cooking temperature has been reached, and red warns that the temperature is too high, completely taking the guesswork out of heat management and giving you total peace of mind. Physical durability and elite thermodynamic performance serve as the absolute foundation of Fissler's premium architecture. The pressure cooker is built around a heavy-gauge, induction-compatible Cookstar all-stove base that ensures perfectly uniform heat absorption and retention across gas, electric, glass, and induction cooktops with zero warping over time. The interior of the massive 8.5 quart basin features a helpful, laser-etched laser filling scale to prevent overfilling, alongside a specialized NovaGrill textured cooking surface that allows you to easily sear your meats and vegetables to a crisp, golden brown directly inside the pot before locking the lid. Safety engineering and everyday convenience are meticulously integrated into the framework to provide a stress-free cooking experience. The heavy-duty handle is fitted with a visual and audible positioning aid that flips a clean color indicator from red to green and emits a distinct click, the exact moment the lid is securely locked and sealed. Out of the box, the system maximizes its multi-cooking versatility by including a premium stainless steel steamer insert and tripod. This allows you to effortlessly double-stack your meals, steaming fresh, nutrient-rich vegetables or seafood up top on the tripod, while a robust soup, stew, or chili simmers concurrently below. When dinner wraps up, maintaining the pristine finish of the Vitavit takes only a matter of minutes. The main stainless steel pot body and the steamer insert are fully dishwasher safe, allowing you to breeze through cleanup with minimal effort. For the lid, Fissler designed a quick-detach system that allows the main control valve and the ergonomic handle to slide off smoothly with a single click, allowing you to hand-rinse the rubber seals and metallic locking mechanisms under a kitchen tap to keep the airtight safety valves in immaculate working condition for decades to come. If you are ready to permanently fire yourself from long, energy-draining stovetop braising cycles, eliminate the anxiety of old-school rattling pressure valves, and invest in a beautifully engineered, multi-setting culinary hub that prepares mouth-watering family dinners in a fraction of the time, this 8.5 quart premium pressure cooker is the ultimate kitchen upgrade. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment letting me know if you're going to use the fast mode for a tender Sunday pot roast or the gentle steam setting for fresh garden vegetables first, and I will see you in the next video.